guys, it's Zoe
and Grace
from Zoewell DIY. Today we're doing Meet My Cats number 3. So this is Teddy. It's more like my dad's cat, but you know, we're going to call him mine for today. So yeah, Teddy's going to come here, and he's purring like crazy, and he's really tired. So yeah, this is Teddy. He's like the cat that'll snuggle you no matter what you do. He's just gonna snuggle. I don't know if you can hear that. He's snuggling really loud. He's not snuggling. He's purring really loudly. You like being in videos, don't you, buddy? So yeah, so Teddy is also scared like Rolls, and he's just a snuggle cat, and he has weird little black dots on your pink little nose. So yeah, this is Teddy, and we'll be back next time with the kitten. Bye, guys.